it's Krystal Everdeen, and today I'm going to share with you some crochet inspiration for music festival season or the upcoming spring and summer warmer weather. So if you're into like the boho aesthetic and love crochet, this video is for you. I have so many ideas for you today. I believe it's over 20. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Everything that I share with you today will be linked in the description box below with either the listing so you can purchase it, the pattern so you can recreate it, or a video tutorial so you could follow it and recreate it for yourself. And all the tutorials are actually on my channel because I shared a lot of and continue to share a lot of tutorials on how to make crochet tops such as this one and so many more. And I'm only going to share a couple today, but I have so many. But the ones that I think really fit the like Coachella music festival aesthetic are some of these. So I'm going to start off with the simple crochet top. So if you're a beginner to crochet, I do have a tutorial on how to make a simple crochet top, and I try to make it as beginner friendly as possible. So that is, again, everything linked in the description box down below. So that one's perfect if you're a beginner and you want to wear something handmade. You don't want a design that's too complicated, or if you're on a time crunch, this was a very fast, easy project for you. And if you're a little bit more of an experienced crocheter, then we can start adding in designs. So for this next crochet top, it is the sunflower crochet top. It has the sunflower design right there on the torso right here. Again, very simple top, but it has that little bit of pizzazz to it, and it's very 2016 Coachella, so very, very cute. And of course, with anything that I share with you today, you could choose whatever color you want, customize it yourself. These are just ideas and inspiration. So if you want this but like in a pink or a green instead, then you could totally make it this exact top but just in a different color, so really make it your own. And if you're loving the whole crochet flower thing, I have this crochet top that is nothing but granny square flowers all put together to make a top, and it looks absolutely adorable, so that's also another option. Then I have a tutorial on this top which I accurately named the boho crochet top, and it has these little designs again right here on the torso area to make it more like lace-like. And again, it may look complicated, but it is fairly easy to follow, and again, I do try my best to take you step by step and explain the process so it's easy for you to follow along. So give it a shot. And if you want a more cutesy aesthetic, I also have a tutorial on how to make this heart top. Actually, I have multiple tutorials on how to make different heart tops, but this is my most recent one, and I feel like it's fairly popular and it would really go with the whole, spring festival kind of thing. Now, if you really want to go crazy and you have plenty of time, I also have a tutorial on how to make this crochet heart dress, which is essentially an extension of the crochet heart top that I just shared with you, but in dress form, and it looks absolutely adorable. So I would recommend you give it a try if you have the time. But yeah, that's really, really fun and cute. And if you're, again, a fan of crochet dresses, my most recent project is this crochet rainbow dress, which is inspired by the dress that Selena Gomez wore in her Love on Music video, and I think it turned out really, really good. And again, that is so much easier to recreate than it looks, but it takes so much time. So just be aware, if you're looking to crochet any of these larger projects, either the skirts or dresses, make sure that you have plenty of time. But any like the crochet tops, like you could probably do that in a day or two. So like I said, I have so many other crochet tutorials on my channel. If you want to look at them all, you could just visit my page. I even have a full video of just me talking about my crochet tutorials because I have so many crochet top tutorials. And yeah, you go ahead and check that out later if you want, but I don't want this whole video to just be about my stuff. I've also found really cute inspiration elsewhere, mostly on Etsy, so let's go ahead and check those out. For the first idea, I really liked this crochet set. I really love the skirt. I love the fringe at the bottom. And again, this could be perfect for a music festival or a day at the beach, just for summer in general. I think this is a really cool project. Then we also have this floral crochet top, which it looks very groovy to me. I'm loving the colors. I think they use that yarn that is like multiple colors in one, but again, you can use whatever colors you want, whatever colors fit your personality, whatever you're going for your event, or just in general what you like. So you could take this project and make it a different color, just like the next idea, which is this sunflower crochet top, which is essentially the same thing as the previous one, but in a different color, slightly different flowers. But yeah, if you love the colorful side of things, then you could choose colorful yarn for projects like this, or if you prefer the more muted, earthy, natural colors, then you could go with this. So I think both of them are really cute and again, give off different vibes, but yeah, just like with all of these projects, you could customize them with any colors that you like, and they'll still look awesome. Another design that I saw was this one, which reminded me of peak 2016 like boho aesthetic. I think that was like the year for everything like Coachella and boho hippies resurrection style, and this reminded me of back in the day when that was really popular. But I wanted to share this one because again, I like the colors that they added to it. The ones that were really popular in 2016 were mostly like white yarn, black yarn, and like tan yarn like this one. But you can make it really fun and choose a really colorful solid color or maybe multicolor like this. So I thought that one was really cool. Then again, if you have a lot of time, you should probably take on one of these projects, the crochet dresses. Now, I didn't think that I would like crochet dresses as much as I actually do, but since I made a couple of them just this past year, I really love them. I really like the way that they came out, and I really like the way that this design looks. I like that it's more of a cover-up because obviously you could like see right through it, but I feel like that makes it more flowy, whereas opposed to the dresses that I've made, they're solid so you can't see through them, but they're also a lot more stiff. So this is a really cool project. Speaking of cover-ups, this looks like a really pretty cover-up as well. Perfect for the beach or, again, music festivals. And music festival and beach wear kind of go hand in hand sometimes. But I thought this one was really pretty as well and very detailed. So that's another option. But this one's more like rave, music festival kind of style, I think, especially with the color, like the baby pink. Absolutely adorable. I love this whole set. It has like the what's it called, the shrug, the shawl, the crochet top, and the little skirt, so little set right here. Similarly, I also found this adorable set. I love the colors that they chose, the green and the pink, super cute, and then I feel like this just specifically reminds me of that fairy from Winx Club, like the main girl, I think, because in the photo she also has red hair and then like with green and pink. It's so cute. But in general, just this crochet set. And then going back to more of like the more boho kind of style, we also have this set right here, which is very intricate. It looks rather complicated. I've never made anything like this, so I can't say like, oh yeah, it's easier than it looks. It might be a little bit complicated, but hey, they're offering the pattern for you to follow, so it may be, again, easier than it looks, and it looks very pretty, very intricate. I really like this. They did a fantastic job with the design. Now, I also found a lot of really pretty crochet skirts that you can recreate, and one of them is this one. I like that they have a lot of really subtle, like muted colors in it, so it's not just one solid color, although again, it would really look pretty with one solid color as well, but I like that they added, you know, those little touches of little hints of color as well. I thought that was really pretty and fun. But if you really want to be colorful and kind of give off those fairy vibes, like this reminds me of like, again, the fairies, like the Winx Club fairies. But I also found a pattern on how to make these mini skirts. So you could make these skirts and then make a crochet top that matches that skirt, and you could have a full-on set. So yeah, the pattern for this is just for the skirts though, but I love how they have like different colors, so you could really see like, oh, just depending on whatever colors I want to make, this is how the skirt will come out. But if you're loving the maxi skirts, this one is really pretty. This one looks like something that would be sold at like a high-end designer or something. Like I would not be surprised if I saw this online at, again, a high-end designer's page for like $2,000, because it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I think the pattern is just for the skirt, but like the whole set, oh, beautiful. Same thing for this one. If I saw this for thousands of dollars, I'd be like, yeah, that makes sense, because that is absolutely gorgeous. And you could recreate it because they have the pattern available to you, and it's linked down in the description box down below. And then after seeing those beautiful skirts, I kind of went crazy with the skirts, so the rest of these ideas are skirts, because hey, I figured you're covered when it comes to crochet tops, because you could just find them on my channel. I have a million different designs and tutorials on how to recreate crochet tops, so you're good to go with tops, but you're gonna need the matching crochet skirt. So that's what this video is for. I should just make this video crochet skirts. Okay. Anywho, next crochet skirt idea is this lovely flowy kind of pineapple stitch skirt, which I thought was really pretty, and again can go very well with this crochet top that I'm currently wearing, as well as many others. But anywho, so that's the next idea. And then the next one is this lovely skirt. It kind of gives off, what's that really new trend that's going around, like dystopian kind of trend? It kind of looks like Dune style a little bit, and it's probably because of the colors that they chose, but it's really cool. And again, you can make it whatever color you want. So if you want to make this nice and pretty and bright, kind of like the mini skirts that I shared with you earlier, you could do that. But I thought this was a rather interesting design as well. Then we have this crochet skirt, which is very much mostly a crochet cover-up, but again, very pretty for music festivals, very hot in the desert, or summertime activities. This is really pretty. And then same goes with this one, although this one I feel like, since it's tight, I feel like would go really well with a crochet top, so it could just be more of a set. Obviously, like a cover-up set, like that's just going to be the style. You're going to be able to see right through it, but it's still really cool. Again, I liking the lace design. If you really wanted to, you could add a layer of fabric underneath and just line it so that it's not see-through, so you could still see the crochet design, but it's not actually see-through. You kind of just cover that up with fabric, or wear a skirt underneath it and then put it over. That look really, really nice. And to end off this video, I'm going to share the one crochet skirt tutorial that I have on my channel. I do literally have one. I should probably make more now that I have a gazillion crochet top tutorials and like no crochet bottom tutorials. But anywho, this is the crochet cover-up skirt tutorial that I have available. So if you love watching crochet video tutorials as opposed to written patterns, that's the one for you. And if you want me to make more crochet skirt tutorials, please let me know, because again, I'm more of a crochet top designer, but maybe I should expand to crochet bottoms too. I already did some crochet dresses, so might as well do some crochet skirts, right? Anywho, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, found some crochet inspiration that you would like to participate in, that you would like to recreate. Again, my name is Krystal Everdeen, and I share a ton of crochet tutorials on my channel, ranging from beginner friendly to more advanced, to crochet with me's, to styling my crochet videos. Just so many crochet videos on my channel. So if you love that, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you around. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they are both at Krystal Everdeen. It's a fun time, and I would love to see you there as well. Thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.